Hi Harry, today we're going to draw a very nice emoji. So you can see I have already drawn a circle here. Now I'm going to fill up with this marker to make it a very bright colorful one. So stay with the channel, keep watching and see the steps we're going to follow to finally draw the whole emoji. Now you can see the progress, so I'm going to draw it step by step from one side to the another. All right, the whole thing I'm going to color. It's a very bright color, you can see. Okay, now we're going to do the details. I'm going to put some rolling eye shape because it looks like the person is little bit hypnotized. That's why this is the rolling face. On the other side, I'm going to draw another rolling for the eye. It's like the mirror, and this is the face. All right, as simple as it like. So you can see that this is very easy and nice. You can try at home, and thanks for watching. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel. We're going to bring more interesting videos later. Thank you so much. Have a good day.